Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process shark bus roll, indicator green but not spinning, what to do, okay? So well, we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, check for the fair or debris. If you own a shark apex upright vacuum, remove the pod from the wand stop, okay? And step on the release pedal to detach the wand from the floor nozzle. Flip the nozzle. Turn the nozzle upside down to expose 3 gray clock, okay? And then use the quarter to unlock the cover by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the cover and check for the clock in the opening. Use a flashlight to examine the wand pod and hose for any trapped debris. Remove any debris stuck in opening, okay? So second step is check the brush roll motor. Before doing any maintenance, disconnect the vacuum from the power outlet. Remove the brush roll from the nozzle, which may need to unscrewing or unclipping depending on the vacuum model. Okay. After removing the brush roll, spin the motor with your finger to check if it is turned freely without the resistance. Okay. And if the motor is stuck on the or not spinning freely, look for debris or hair wrapped around it and clean any debris or hair found. After clearing the debris, reinstall the brush roll and plug in the vacuum. Switch on the vacuum and check if brush roll spins. Okay. So our third step is check the power switch. Locate the power switch on your shark vacuum, usually found on the vacuum body or handle. Verify if the power switch is in the correct position, example position 2 for activating the brush roll if it is not spinning. Turn the power switch on or off to see it work, listening to the clicking sound or feeling the for resistance. If the switch does not respond or freely loose, you may need to replace it. Refer to the manufacturer guide for instruction. If you face difficulties or are unsure, refer to the user manual for specific guidance or troubleshooting the power switch. Okay? And if all of this step is still not working for you, you can contact Shark customer support for assistance. Shark provide various resources to help customer, including phone, email, and chat support. Okay. So this is our all step. Thanks guys. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.